Hello to my fellow boss babes. Welcome to my channel. I want to share with you how I save money on business supplies because you all know how expensive it can start to get as you have your own business, you're running your own network marketing company, and the expenses can keep piling up, right? And so if we can save some money, that's what I'm going to teach you today. So keep on watching the video so you can see more. So hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Saleh and I am a SeneGence distributor, and I have a huge passion for helping women succeed in their businesses, and I love to share my little tips and tricks and trainings on how I became successful in my business. So if you're new here, be sure to click subscribe and click the little bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video, because I have a ton of trainings coming up, especially if you're a SeneGence distributor. You don't want to miss them. Okay, so for starters, this video is obviously going to be catered towards SeneGence distributors and women that are selling lip scents and SeneGence products, make sense, all that kind of stuff. So I'm speaking from my own experience, and this is basically what I have done from the very beginning of my business to help save a lot of money. So when I talk about business expenses, I'm talking about like business supplies and thank you cards, and instruction cards and tips and tricks cards, bubble mailers, mascara wands, disposable applicators, like basically anything that you need for your business, like kind of upfront, all those little kind of supplies and things that can add up. This is what I do to save money on those items. Okay, so step number one, you need to download the app called eBates, E-B-A-T-E-S, okay? You can also just go on your laptop and go on your computer, or even just in your browser and your phone, and just type in ebates.ca or ebates.com if you're in the States. I'm in Canada, so I'm going to be speaking towards the Canadian version of it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to sign up, and all they ask for is your email, your first and last name, I think your date of birth, and your contact information, and you make a password. And that is it. That is how you start making money. There's no, they don't take any credit card information from you, nothing. Basically what this website is it's a cashback website. So I have been signed up for, oh gosh, it's been a number of years since I have been signed up. You can save money on there for so many different companies. I never shop online unless I go through eBates now. So basically what it is it's a special app or a browser that you need to click on first, and then you go through eBates to go onto the website that you want to purchase something. So they have everything. They have like Expedia, they have Old Navy, they have Sephora, they have, what I like to use a lot is Amazon and Vistaprint for my businesses. They have, Flight Hub and The Bay, and literally like any website that you shop online for, it's probably going to be already on eBates. So it fluctuates every single day. Each company kind of offers a different cashback. So you need to kind of keep your eye out for like the best cashback deals. But like around Boxing Day and Black Friday, they have huge cashback rewards. Sometimes it's like 3%, 1%, sometimes like 8% or 10%. It's insane. So basically the way that it works is you shop through eBates, and then after 3 months, they count all of your transactions. So like, let's say you go on Vistaprint, and you purchase X amount of business cards and business supplies, or even on Amazon if you purchase bubble mailers or disposable ones or whatever. And let's say your total comes to $100 and their cash back was, 1%. You would get 1% cash back on the $100 that you spent. Or if the cash back is 3%, you'll get 3% cash back on the $100 that you spend. So over the 3 months, it just adds up the total, and they literally send you a check in the mail. There is it's 100% legitimate, guys. I have been doing it for many years, and I went in my app, and I can even show you, I'll pull it up right here. It shows that I've had $1,000 cash back for the lifetime ever since I have been signed up. So this is like totally legit. If you can save any dollar, then seriously, go for it. So use it every single time you order. Please don't shop on any of the business websites unless you go through eBates. You can save so much money. And the neat thing about eBates, and I'm going to show you kind of like a clip of me going through the app right now. The cool thing about it is it tells you current promo codes as well. So if you're going on Vistaprint and you are ordering business cards, it'll tell you what promo codes are active right now. And Vistaprint, like pretty much all year round, they always have some kind of promo codes. Sometimes it's on just business cards, sometimes it's on marketing material, sometimes it's like save 20%, 30%, whatever. And it'll tell you which coupon codes are available and coupon codes that you can apply towards your order. So I absolutely love Ebates. I can totally vouch for it being a huge part in me saving some money when I am ordering business supplies. Like I always go through it when I'm printing things through Staples. I always go through it when I'm purchasing, bubble mailers or envelopes or padded envelopes or organza bags and lip applicators and mascara wands and like little prizes that I buy or brush sets. Anything to do with your business, you can do it through Ebates. And the neat thing about it is if you use my referral code, and I will put it below, then obviously it'll make me really happy. I mean, like hopefully this video helps you out, right? So hopefully you use my referral code. But if you go and forward that referral code to a teammate or to a friend or whoever, once you refer 2 people, you get $35 back in cash, like straight up on your check. It's so cool. So if I can help any of you save some money, that makes me happy. Even if you don't use my referral code, that's totally okay. We'll still be friends, I promise. So there you go. There you have it. That's how I save some money on my business supplies. If you found this video helpful, share it with your teammates, share it with your friends, share it with your fellow Sene sisters, and go and sign up. Let me know how much money you save. And when you start getting your big fat checks, that's actually what they call it. They say your big fat check once you get it in the mail. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more training videos.